Hello friends, welcome to Programming Concepts. My name is Amit and this is part 44 of ASP.NET Core MVC tutorial. In this video, we will talk about how to implement edit functionality in .NET Core MVC without Entity Framework Core. This is continuation of part 43, partial view tag helper attributes in .NET Core MVC. So please watch it before proceeding to this one. I shared the link in the description. Let's get back to Visual Studio. And this is the project which we are working on. I already deleted dummy partial views which we had created in our last video. And this is our neat and clean add employee page. Now we need to create functionality to edit employee details. So in this video, we will be going to write C# code which is responsible to interact with database. It's just a recap video. So if you know how to write ADO code to interact with SQL, you can please skip this video. Okay. So first open our interface, iEmployee repository or repository. It's available within model folder. You can see right now we only have two methods there to get all employees and add employees. We already implemented create and read features or CRUD operation in our previous videos. In this video, we will implement C of CRUD, which is create. So let's define the new method and let's name it edit employee. And return type will be bool and it will accept a parameter of type employee. So employee and variable name will be employee with small e. Let's go to SQL DB layer class. And you can see we have an error. And the error is SQL DB layer does not implement interface member iEmployee repository .edit employee. So let's implement edit employee method as well. So just mouse over and click on implement the interface. At the bottom, you can see the edit employee method is created. Let's define a variable bool flag is equal to false and return this variable. Now next, let's establish the connection. If you are following this playlist, you must be aware that we are not using Entity Framework Core. We are using the traditional ADO.NET approach. So using SQL connection con is equal to new SQL connection and then curly braces. Next, we need to get connection string details. It is present under the appsetting.json file. So go to appsetting.json file and at the bottom you can see employee context within the connection string. So how can we get this value? This we already discussed in our dependency injection video. Just to recap, at the top within SQL DB layer constructor, you can see configuration and assign this parameter to our local variable configuration. Now our .NET Core framework will take care of this dependency. So whatever methods are exposed by this interface is there to use just by injecting this dependency. The object is automatically created by the dependency injection container. All right, let's use this object. So within SQL connection object, let's type configuration dot get connection string. And our connection string is present under employee context. This command is sufficient to establish a connection. Let's open the connection with con.open. Next, we need to write a query. So declare a variable string query equal to string.empty. Now query is equal to update TBL employee set name is equal to @name, comma, salary is equal to @salary, comma, department is equal to @department, where ID is equal to @ID. Next, use the command object. So using SQL command, let's name it CMD, is equal to new SQL command and pass the query as a parameter, curly braces. Now let's pass the parameter. So cmd.parameters.add with value, @name is equal to employee.name. Copy and paste this line 3 more times. Next is salary, then employee.salary, department, employee.department, and last one is ID, employee.id. Alright, so next cmd.connection is equal to con. Here we are defining the connection for our command object. Next, cmd.execute non-query. Let's just set flag is equal to true and then con.close. And that's it. We are done with the implementation. Now our SQL DBlayer class is ready to update employee details. Let's check if it is available to the controller or not. Let's go to employee controller. Within add employee, type underscore repository and press dot. And you can see edit employee method is available to use. In our next video, we will use this method and implement edit employee functionality. Alright then, that's it in this video. If you have any queries related to the content of this video, do ask me in the comments. Till then, thanks for watching.